Hi everyone, welcome to the PR Software Training Institute. Actually, in the last class, I shown you the project layout, and in today's class, we are going to design this home page which is there on the screen. So in this home page, you can see we are having the menu tab, and this is we are having the first our home page is there. So in today's class, I will tell you how to create this complete home page. To create this home page, I will go with the Eclipse, and I'm expecting guys you are having the knowledge of basics of HTML and CSS, because with that help I will create this project completely fresh project. I will tell you. I'm closing all file which is open on my screen, and now what I will do, I will create a new project. Go to the file, new, and take a dynamic web project, and the project name I will take it here. Already I'm having Institute Management System, so I will give a shortcut name as Institute MAM, because same name I cannot take it here. And I no need to select any file, just click on finish. So today our first page we will design here, completely first page. Let us see here how to design that page. Okay. So now the first we need to create the header. Header is nothing but this top menu bar we need to create it, guys. So to create that, I will give the name as header.jsp. So just create here header.jsp. Okay. So in my page, how many links we are having? We are having 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let us create the same 4 links. To create that 4 link, we should use another list. This is the basics of HTML. In that, I will take LR tag. In LR tag, guys, if you want to take the more meaning, you can take the more tag. Let us say, as per my program, I'm having home, and this home should be. I need the anchor tag because clickable link we want. And here I will create the home.jsp. Okay, and here I will write home. Means if I click on home, it should go to the home.jsp, because as per my program, how many pages I'm having, how many pages so register, it is going to registration.jsp. Similar way, I'm going to create the pages. Okay, so by keeping that layout in mind, I'm creating this page. So let us do one thing, copy paste this 4 times instead of writing again and again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after the home, we will give here register. Here I will give inquiry. And the last I will give as pay fees or pending fees. Whatever you want, you can give it like this. And let us create the pages. Pages name, whatever you want, you can use. Let us register.jsp. Here I will give it inquiry.jsp. Here I will give pending.jsp. Now don't get confused, guys. I gave the registration. Here you are giving registration. Page name can be anything. Okay. And if I see, if I register this, let us how it will look like. Check. I'm running this. So my links are coming or not? I will check that first. Is loading. Now links are coming. But sir, you will say, sir, in your page, it is very beautifully designed, but here it is not showing. It is very simple. So how can I design? The only thing is, guys, in my page I am having CSS. I will tell you how to do the CSS. That is also we will discuss it. That. Okay, let us start with that designing part here. So in this page, only thing what we have to do, go to my page again. I will add the CSS content from here. So what are the CSS content do you want? It is your wish. We will start with one by one. So the step number 1. Let us compare this. I want to create this complete part. So let us take the UL, go to the head body. Inside the head, you create the style, because we are giving here style concept. In style, first you take UL. UL is nothing but another list. That another list I am going to create. What do we want there? I will take the list style none. What I am going to do list type none. Sir, what is the meaning of this? When I execute this program, you are able to see your dots. Now, because I do list type none, that dots gone. Why? Because we need to remove that dots. Okay. First is complete. Second, I will take it width. How much the width do we want of my complete this complete width? How much you want to take? I'm taking 70%. I'm giving not 100% because I do not want to cover this complete part. See, in my uh, this header also left and right 15 gap is there. So middle I took 70. You can increase or decrease as per your requirement. 70% I have taken. Now, I background color. What background color do you want? You can take it that. Background color. What is the background color? I'm taking hash 333. Nothing but it will come as black. Okay. Now refresh it and check it. Come, this is your page. So don't get confused here. This is our actual page of my layout which I showed you, and this is we are creating. So my 70% got created. Inside content we will do slowly. But your left and right hand side it is not coming same page. So to give the same page left and right, I will write margin auto. Auto means arrange left and right same spaces. Okay, left and right we got it same. So slowly we are coming towards the layout. Okay. So now you have got created, but this li also we need to arrange in one by one format. So I will take it here. Li, I will take float left, but I'm taking float left. Now see one by one it will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got it. So what happened? This complete content has gone here. So what we need to do? We need to set the width 20% each I will take. And we need to add the color. I will take color as white. Because right now it is a black color by default. We'll take it what? White color. Okay, background we got deleted. So we will do one thing. We will write here one more tag called overflow auto. Okay, so we got it. But sir, here you can see this all this thing came how it is coming in attached format. So we need to write something. Just padding we should add it inside this one. So how to add that padding and all that we will discuss in the A tag, because this is about the li. This is about what? Li. I will do one thing. This color also I will not write in li. I will write one more tag. This automatically it will come. Don't worry. So right now it is shown like this flag. Okay, so we'll make it properly. This color I have removed and I have refreshed. It is coming like this now. So what I will do, I will add more look and feel to this one. So I will go to the anchor tag. In the anchor tag, what I will write? I will write display in block. Block is nothing but whatever 20 size I have taken. Please write your content within that one answer. Don't go outside. So text color, what do you want? I want the text color as white. Okay, fine. Text align. Text align, I want what? Center. So means whatever my text is there, please come to the center. Next, right now this box is very small. This box is what? Very small. I want the space in that box. So I will write padding 10 pixel. 10 pixel means space will include into that one. Okay, refresh it. So see, padding we got, text color white we have changed, text align automatically center we got it, and below on the four side we got the spaces also. And one more important thing I will write text decoration none. So text decoration none is nothing but that link which is coming on the down, it has gone. Now see it is looking properly. Now compare this and this will look both same. So because here some sides also coming, that is called radius. Border radius we can add to our UL. Okay, let us add the border radius if you want exactly same. Come here and add here what? Border radius. How much you want? 10 pixels. So border radius is nothing but sharpness. Right now it is a very sharp corner, but now you see a radius we got it. So inside space is little small compared to that application. So what we need to increase, only padding you change it to 15 pixels. Okay, it got exactly. Now we compare this and this. Is it looking exactly same? Okay, over effect here blue is coming, but here there is no over effect. How to add the over effect? So you should come inside and you should write like this. Li A colon over. When you read over, what color do we want? That color we can write. So there I gave the blue color. If you want to change any color, you can take your choice. Let us change the color as orange. What color we are taking? Orange. Refresh it and take orange color we are getting. So whatever color you want, you can change as per your requirement. So this is my header got created, guys. Okay. So now the next is what home page. This header I will implement on the home page. So let us right click on this. Create one more page called home.js. I will create home.js. Okay. So in the home page, what do we want to create? That we need to understand first. So in the home page, we want what login page we want. Okay. Before the login page, generally in my page, I'm having the background. Can you see it? One background image is there. That is for PR. Right? This PR Software Training Institute, you are able to see it is not the front image. I go in the background. So you can set that background image. Okay, let me create it. This page we got it created. To set the background, I will go with the style concept. Okay. In my style, I'm going to set my background image. So to set the background image, we should use here background colon. Oh, sorry. First, we should write the tag. That is body. We are setting background to what? Body. In the body, we'll write background. Background URL. So now this URL, whatever the image do we want, that image we should copy inside web content folder. So I will just go to my institute management. Here I'm having one image called frame.jpg. Can you see it? This image I'm having. I will copy this image. This is nothing but our institute logo. I will copy this and I will drop inside the web content. Same image we want, that's why I'm taking the same image. If you want to change it, you can change it. So modify this. Okay, and just come here and write that name, whatever we are having. So what is the name? Frame.jpg. Okay, save this. Now run this file. Finish. So this image is coming, but this image, if you look at to the width, it is very big size is coming. So what we need, because this is going beyond my page here, beyond my page. So one second. Okay. So here, what we need to do, one more change here. After adding this, I need to set the size because that image is going beyond my what we call screen. So I write background size. We need to set the background size as what? 100%. So when I set the background size as 100%, I will save it and I will refresh it. So see, my image got on my complete screen. This is my actual image size, so it will come like that only. Okay, fine. So now on the top, what we need the header on the top. So very simple. You come to your body, you write here in the JSP how to include header. You have to write JSP include. What is the page name we are having? Header.js. And refresh it. See, now this page and this page. This is this page and this page. So we got it, header we got it, and this image. Only what we need the form tag. Okay, everybody able to understand this up to here? Fine. Now, what is my next requirement? I want to create that login form to my screen. So to create the login form, we need to write the login code in my page. So let us come here and below to this one, add the login code. So I will write from action. So action, after clicking where you want to go, you want to go to login.jsp. We need to create this login.jsp also. Okay, fine. And guys, morning batch and evening batch student, whatever names I'm giving you, follow the same name, because when I will share the code with you guys, you can apply the same logic there. Same names are there in my file also. Okay. So there you can write here. First, I will write the label content. So what label do you want? I want the label as username. So let us take the label as username. Second, I will take what input type is equals to text. Next, we want what placeholder. Placeholder is nothing but what you want to print on the screen. I'm writing placeholder, placeholder. Enter the name, enter the union, nothing but a username, and name of this will be union. Okay. Second, again, input will take it. Type I will take it as password. Password. Placeholder, I will take it as enter the password, and name I will take it as pwd, and last is submit button. Input type is equals to submit, and value is equals to sub. Okay. So if I refresh this, let us check how it will look like. We need to add here actually name. Labels I do not add it. So let us copy the labels and label username password we should add. So I will take all the three labels. This is about username and this is about password. Label is nothing but text which you want to show before your box. Password. Save it and go here and refresh. Now see how it is look like. It is not looking properly, but we need to write this by using what CSS. It will be look very beautiful. Okay, let us go with the CSS part. So come to here. After the body, already body we got completed. Now we should write for what? We should write for text and password. These two things we should write it down. So I will do one thing here, guys. I will take here only both text. Okay, no problem. Let us take. You should not get confused. Input type is equals to text, and one more input. Actually, if you do not take the password, then no need to write this one. Okay. In my code, which I will share with you guys, there I do not take the password. I wrote only what there text. So you no need to write this part. So don't get confused. Some code will definitely change. So don't get confused. Okay. So I will take the width 100%. Width 100% means whatever the size is there of that box, I want to take it as 100%. Padding, nothing but inside my box, how much space do I want? I want top and bottom 7 pixels, right and left 10 pixels. These two things I want. I want to margin, top and bottom is 8 pixel I want. And left and right, I do not want anything. Display. In one line, how many you want to show? I want to show only inline block. In one block, I want to show this both. Here, third, I am taking border. So here you are able to see this border. This blue color, this border I am taking. Border 1 pixel solid, and that border I am giving 3C. Nothing but that color will come. Then border radius. Border radius means that right now it will okay. I will write this two part afterwards. This border radius I will write after completion of this, so that you will understand why we are writing that border radius concept. Okay. Then after here, let us see how it is look like. Go to my this page. Okay. So it is looking very big. Why? Because I do not set the size for this one. Okay. So let me set the size also. Come here and I will set width. I need to set the width for what? 100% I am taking their width. No worries. So I will do one thing. I will take it into the separate one more tag to change that thing. Just one second. Actually, here we need to add one div tag because we need to separate this part. So I will take this inside the div and I will take the div as div1. Div1 basically will be divide. So those who are aware of CSS and all can go to. Okay. So already we discussed all the CSS and all. So you guys are aware of this one. Let us come here and divide that part into the uh, limited, because here you can see it, how it's looking. It is looking very big. So we need to set that size. That size I'm setting where inside the div tag. So dot d1, nothing but class is there. That's why I'm taking dot d1. Okay. And here I will add it that code. So first I will take it what? Border radius. Okay, border I will take it ladder. Background we do not want. We will take first very important thing. I will take it width. Width is how much? 20%. So let us come here and check. See, this box got what? Completely small. So how much width? I took 20%. It is not necessary. It is up to you how much you want. Okay. So next, the very important thing, what do we want? Then from the top, I need little down. So I will take margin top 10 pixel. Why? Because right now, if you look at to this one, it is touching to this one. We want little down to this. Okay, so 10 pixel I have down. So it should not touch. That is the reason I have taken there. Okay, fine. So we need to set one border for this complete thing. So let us take a border radius 5 pixel. And here I will draw the border also. I will take border 1 pixel. Sorry. Okay. But what is happening? This border is getting more of this one. So I will do one thing. This border I will set inside my input tag. Okay. Okay. Here it is given. No. So what I will do? This border tag, we will add the padding and margin. Simplify padding 20 pixel. 10, 20, whatever you want, you can take. So we are taking the padding there more. And border we will set it. Border 1 pixel solid, and let us give the blue color also. That is what deleted. That's why it is not. Okay. And here actually it is more touching, so just increase little more this padding. 20. Okay. 25. That we need to adjust as per our requirement. So it is coming like completely. So my box got created and this complete part we got it. So but now this where I want this, I want in the center. So to take the center, there are two things are there. Either you can write text line on the top, or you can write text line here also. It is as per your requirement where do you want to add that. So here, if I want to make a center, I will take here margin auto. Actually, what is the meaning of auto? Sir, as you know that your this box size is how much? Only 20. So remaining page space is how much? 18. So 40 I want to make it left, I want to right. So auto will take automatically in the center. Save that and refresh again. I'm saving this file. Auto spelling is wrong here. And refresh it. will come exactly in the cell. Okay, can you see this? So like this, what will happen? My data, now you compare this page and this page. What is left? Only you left with this submit button concept. Okay, so let us design the submit, and if you compare, see, it is looking more beautiful compared to that. So how much you design in the future, like designing, you will improve your designing thing, it will get more highlighted to that. So now let's last go with the submit part. So I'll go to the submit button part. So I have to write input type is equals to submit. So submit button background, what do you want? That you can take it background. Let us take, I am taking green. So the submit button background, what I am taking here, green. So my background will become green. So text color, what do you want? That text color you can take it. I want white, so I can take white. And first refresh it. Come. So that text looking very small. So I will add that padding. Padding means inside space. How much do you want? So 10 pixel I am taking. So see this button. 10 will look more bigger. So I will set the left and right both. So 7 pixel I will set at top and bottom, and left and right I will take more 10. So top and bottom 10, left and right we got it. Oh, sorry, top and bottom 7 and left and right we got it 10. So it is looking like properly button we are having. So like this, we can create this concept here. So I hope guys up to here it is very clear for you. I request everyone, especially morning 12 and evening 6 p.m. batch, this everything you practice properly. And once you practice this one, then backend code we will discuss one by one. I will tell you this in the next class. Okay, thank you guys.